I'm in Gandia. This is a small town nearby Valencia with more than 70,000 people. And I'm going to Playa de Gandia. This is an amazing area for having rest, for getting tent, for swimming, for having your meals, because there are a lot of different bars, cafes, restaurants, lots of concerts are held there. In this video I'm gonna share with you my experience of spending great time here. There are several districts here in Gandia, but two favorite of mine are the port area, which is Grau, and the second one is Playa de Gandia, which is Gandia beach. This is my favorite spot. This is where the port area begins. So this whole area is called Grau, but if you go straight forward, we will go to Playa de Gandia. This video I'm shooting on my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. One of the first times that I'm using it. The first time I used it on the La Tomatina festival in Buñol in Spain. And that was pretty crazy because I had to wear the waterproof case for it. And now, without any cases, without any ND filters, just like this. You can always park a car here. Lots of souvenirs here, because actually Gandia is one of the most popular towns nearby Valencia. And if you're somewhere near Valencia, I really strongly recommend you guys coming here. You can come to Gandia just by yourself or with your family, because even if you have children, you can always have fun here. The best transport that you can rent here in Gandia is I'm just kidding, electro scooter. This will be much easier for you. No traffic jam, very fast, very convenient. This is our famous beach club here. Lots of concerts here, lots of different shows, lots of different festivals. This is the marina area. We haven't made it to Playa de Gandia yet. So here we have some kind of wine. And here you can buy different kinds of rice, which is grown here in Valencia. And here we have cheese. And here, guys, the president of Gandia, the mayor.
Wow.
It's pumpkin.
It's made of pumpkin?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, wow, thank you. Harina de trigo.
Yes.
Very soft. I cannot feel lots of sugar, which is very good. I'm getting ready for my swimming competition. A little bit later, here will be concert today. See some burgers.
Los dos figateis, la hamburguesa, el figatei de hígado de pato, el figatei también de berenjena listada de Gandia. Y es muy importante.
Getting ready with the delicacies. I see some hamburguesas, some burgers. I also see pans for Fideua de Gandia or paella. You see how great is to stay in Gandia or even live in Gandia if you're a digital nomad like me and you can choose where to live, where to stay and travel a lot. If you love traveling, come to Gandia. That's for sure. You will not be disappointed, believe me. But usually, I'm telling you, there are lots of yachts here. I don't know, maybe they just went away. Nice one, right? In Gandia, there is only one, the most famous, the most delicious dish, which is Fideua de Gandia. It is extremely famous here. You cannot travel to Gandia without trying Fideua. I have a video on my channel about how to cook Fideua de Gandia. I did it with a super famous local chef.
I myself have just finished this whole pan, Fideua.
This is a dish that challenges the paella's seafood supremacy, but with a noodle twist that's simply irresistible. This smell, this aroma, it's just amazing.
It's so hot and it's so flavorful. Oh gosh.
Smoothly transferring from the Grau to the Playa de Gandia. And this is a perfect area with lots of people, with lots of restaurants. So a small market right on the beach with lots of accessories, souvenirs, wallets, bags, jewelries, fake ones. All the products are probably like from China, but anyway, here we have underground parking, which is very beautiful because this whole long Playa de Gandia street, Prospect Avenue, is very like walkable. Very few cars can drive here with only some kind of documents and licenses. All others should park here, and this is very convenient. It's getting darker, but write me in the comments, guys, if the quality of the picture is still okay. So why I love the beach of Gandia? Because it's very wide, super clean sand and water, and with lots of bars right on the beach, with amazing air and amazing atmosphere. And here is also one of the most famous restaurants here, where you can have your meal with a perfect view on a Mediterranean Sea. I usually swim here or in the village nearby Gandia, because sometimes during summer holidays, like, it's flooded with tourists. Perfect place for partying, for having fun. You can rent jet ski here, you can rent subboards, paddleboard, whichever you may want, you can find here. I usually film more complicated and more quality content with external mics, with proper color grading, sound design, lots of cutting, lots of voiceovers, with lots of cinematography and scripts. And this video is just for fun, for testing my camera and for introducing you to Playa de Gandia. People having fun, tasting delicious street food and local dishes. And you know what, guys? I really wish I participated here. Of course, I'm a big fan of different cuisines, and this is exactly what I need in my YouTube channel, of course. And this is exactly what I like to do, to eat delicious food. But unfortunately, not today, maybe in the next video. In Gandia we have lots of fun here. What about the quality of the video, of the picture? Is it blurry? Is it okay? Of course it's not the quality of my Sony A7C mirrorless camera, but I think it's pretty okay for this lightweight form of content. Very easy to produce this kind of videos. Oh, look at that. Bye.